you got allergies, do this one thing and it will improve your allergies by 50% in 2 weeks, right? So that's removing dairy from your diet. Dairy is from anything from cow or goat, anything from an animal, milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, butter. You want to remove all of those because they cause your body, your intestines to secrete so much mucus, and you're all sniffling and you're itching and sneezing and all so forth, right? So what's the solution? What can you substitute? Well, you want to do milk from plants, seeds, not necessarily milk. You kind of grind them and they make it into a milk, like coconut milk, soy milk, flaxseed milk, cashew milk, all these, brown rice milk. These are all better substitutes than dairy products from animals. So no dairy products for 2 weeks and you will see your allergy symptoms improve by 50% just by doing this one thing. So give it a try. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because we're going to do more videos, all right? Can't smell, can't taste? Got 2 magic points for you to help you start restoring both of them, right? They're called the 2 revival points. Before we go into them, whether you got the C word, you got viruses, you got cold, you got the jab, doesn't matter. You can't smell, you can't taste, and if you're a foodie, life is terrible. This is how you're gonna start restoring it, right? The first revival point. These were used to revive consciousness. So the first one is right here below your nose. You're gonna push really hard. It's right in the groove. You're gonna push really hard. You can jiggle it. It's gotta hurt. If it ain't hurting, it ain't working. Okay. So push hard. You're gonna do this every single day, as many times as you want, as many times as you can. Second point. Bottom of your foot, you're gonna draw three sections. The top third, you can go in the middle. You're gonna press really hard. This is the second point. If you can't reach it, have someone else do it. It should hurt like hell. If it ain't hurting, it ain't gonna help restore this. Check out my YouTube videos. Can't breathe? Do the slap game. You know, like when you were a kid, you would put your hands on top of other people and you're trying to slap them, right? Well, this is something similar. Not exactly, but it's something similar. So you can't breathe, you don't have enough oxygen, you want to increase blood circulation to your heart, to your lungs. You want to start off like this, okay? Like someone's going to slap you, right? And then you want to bring it in, right? And then you want to go like this and then flip it, right? Doing this exercise brings in more oxygen to your heart and to your lungs. You can do it quicker. Now your arms are going to feel sore, and that's okay. That's pumping the blood, right? Pumping the blood. 3,000 years ago, Chinese medicine discovered that there were nerves connected to every single organ, and so specifically to the heart and to the lungs, they were on your arms, right? Doesn't matter what the Western anatomy book doesn't show it. There are nerves that are connected to it. And doing this exercise, 2 minutes every single day will improve that circulation. Follow me on.
I'm Candy Garrett. I came to Yin Acupuncture in October of this past year for allergies, lots of sinus problems. I had been to my regular family doctor, to an ear, nose, and throat specialist, and was really dreading the thought of going through another cedar fever season here in the Austin area. Fortunately, they were able to work with me. I came in 3 times a week, then twice a week, then once a week, and now I'm down to just once a month. I did not have any symptoms at all this year. It's been just absolutely fantastic. And I feel so much better than I felt in a long time. I would recommend this strongly to any of my family members or friends. And in fact, I have. Thank you.
Hey guys, Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture neurology specialist, and coming to you with another daily power tips. Today is Wednesday. So Wednesday, we're going to change it up to Wellness Wednesday. So what's all this talk about wellness? Like, what does it actually mean? People talk about, okay, let's get well, let's focus on wellness. What does that actually mean? Well, I looked it up in a dictionary. I Googled it, and the definition, according to Google, is wellness is the state of being in good health, especially as an actively pursued goal, right? So it's a state of being good health. That's still generic. I mean, good health is so different from one person to the other. One person, one person may be like, okay, I just want to live a great life. I don't care how long it is. That's wellness. And another person could be like, I want to live a long life, okay? That's more important than actually the quality of the life. And so then there's people, the third person that wants to live a long life and a good quality of life, right? There's no right or wrong. Wellness is different. Good health means different things to different people. But here's an important thing about the definition. It says, especially as an actively pursued goal. I think that's the key to wellness. It's an actively pursued goal, which means it never stops. And so we can't get to a point where we're like, okay, I'm done. I don't have to eat healthy anymore. I'm good to go for the next 50 years. That ain't gonna happen. You gotta be actively pursuing the goal of wellness. Whatever that good health means to you, you have to be, the key to wellness is actively pursuing that as a goal, right? That's just with any goals, any type of goal that we set for our life. But in regards to good health, in regards to wellness and health, it has to be an actively pursued goal. I thought that was pretty interesting to the definition of wellness, and hopefully that shed some light to what you need to change in your life, because it has to be a day-to-day thing. It has to be an actively pursued goal. Otherwise, you're not in a state of good health. Otherwise, you're not achieving wellness. So wellness is not a destination. It is a journey. It's an actively pursued goal. So I would say that's a pretty good definition. It's not a journey. It's not a destination. It's a journey. That's what wellness actually means, according to Google, right? It depends on who you want to believe. But I thought this was pretty cool. Share this with someone that may need this. Like it, post comments below, as always. And quick tip today: Wellness Wednesday. What it means to be well, or wellness. Okay, Jimmy in here from Achieve Integrative Health. And as always, remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to you to make it happen. So we're in the middle of the week. If you haven't started making this happen, it's time to start making this happen, all right? Remember, it's actively pursued goal. It's up to you to achieve what you want to achieve.